recording, I'm on. Oop. Well, welcome to the channel again, lads and lasses. It's been a while since I've done a video. I've been away for the last couple of weeks on holiday, so well needed a break for the family. We haven't been on holiday for 3 years. We've got relatives in Cornwall, so we went down to Cornwall. It was a lovely time. Really enjoyed it. So going to work now, first day back. Ooh, bank holiday Monday. Yeah, so we're working till about 11 o'clock. So what time is it now? 12:18. Get there for 1 o'clock. Yeah, so I'm just going to need an update on the channel. I hope you're liking the videos I've been putting up. Obviously the 350cc range is out now, so there'll be a lot more videos coming on that, on how to do certain jobs on them. Hopefully they'll be coming to each and everybody's country. Not specifically all the colours and all the range in respect of single-sided or twin-sided swing arm versions. Shipping costs have gone through the roof. A container for shipping used to be about $6,000 for a container to ship from China to wherever, and now it's nearly quoted on 20,000. So I reckon the prices should stay about the same as the 310 range, about 4,400 euros thereabouts, fingers crossed, and we'll see what happens. But yes, shortly, should be coming shortly. I'll let you know as soon as I know in regards to that. I've ordered a new 15 tooth front sprocket instead of the standard 14 tooth on my 310X. It's filthy, the bloody bike's filthy because it's been stood for 2 weeks under cover and it was pouring down before I went away on holiday, and I had a chance to clean it, so I'll get around to that. Yeah, but I put a standard sprocket on the 2019 Zontes. It's different to the colour TFT versions, the later models Zontes 310s. It's a 42 tooth sprocket on this bike, being a 2019, and I changed it to a 42 sprocket, which drops the revs down by about 500 RPM in each gear. So dropping the revs makes it easier to do your 50-60 miles an hour at low revs, increases fuel consumption, and it's a more relaxing ride. But I ordered a 15 tooth because the bike has a 14 tooth sprocket, and the later model 310s range, which have the colour TFT screen, they have a different sprocket fitting on the back, and you can only get, it's a black sprocket instead of a silver one, and you can't use a 42 sprocket from the which I'm using now, from the 250S Phantom model range, to alter the gearing. You can't do that. You can only do it by altering the front sprocket. I managed to find a 15 tooth front sprocket for everybody who's got the later model. You can put that on your bike. One of the subscribers, good lad, asked me questions about it, and he's got the later model. He's got a 2021 model 310T, and he actually went and ordered it where I told him to get it from, and he's fitted it. He says it's dropping the revs round in each gear by about 600 RPM, so in final top 6 gear he's getting around about 600 RPM less in each gear, which is great for cruising about. But that's the option you've got on the later TFT model versions. I'll leave the link in the description of this video so you know where to buy that from if you've got the later TFT colour screen model Zontes 310 range. Then you can drop your revs down by about 600. I think you'll get around there, girl. But she did in the end. Yeah, so I've ordered one just to try mine, to see if I can get down the range down to about 1,000 without losing any torque. I mean, it's a single cylinder, so you shouldn't lose torque. But I've got mine down by about 500 RPM with a back sprocket. So if I use a back sprocket and a 15 tooth front sprocket, I should get mine down about 1,000 RPM, which that'd be brilliant, wouldn't it? Okay. Great for fuel consumption, especially now the ethanol. I've noticed, I mean, I do 20 miles a day to work. Well, it's 10 miles there, 10 miles back. And I used to get 100 miles per gallon. You know, unleaded fuel on the E5 normal unleaded fuel, but I put the 10 ethanol, so 10% ethanol fuel in, which is normal unregulated fuel now, regular fuel, unleaded, which is regular is E10, and I got 90 miles per gallon with the 10% ethanol, which I thought was, oh, I'm losing mile per gallon and paying more for my fuel. Fuel price has gone shot up to around about £1, this is UK pound, £1 72, 73, 74 per litre. So yeah, I've got to back up. I did something the other day. I filled it back up again. It's full now. I filled it for the for my next, obviously, stint at work for the next 2 weeks before it goes empty again. And I picked up the wrong pump and I put super unleaded, which is, you know, which is the basic E5 super unleaded ethanol. Has only got 5% rather than 10%. I'm going to see what range I get out of this, but I paid more for it. But I'm going to see what kind of range I can get out of this one. To see if it's different to the normal 10% ethanol fuel, because anyway, it's just fuel costs are going up. 10 miles travelling to work. I use the bike all the time now. I can't afford it in the car, bloody fuel prices. Yeah, so, and the heating, oh god, the heating. We've only got 3-bedroom terraced house. I mean, we're normal living like normal people. And our fuel bills are direct debit with a good fuel provider on dual fuel smart meter thing. Was £120 a month. Now with the fuel increase on gas and electric, especially the electric, it's gone up to £180 a month. So I'm dreading winter. There is one thing that they've talked about doing. I'm not sure, you know, they haven't talked about in Parliament yet in the UK, but doing a double summertime. So basically, we'd go to like the time frame zones in France and Italy, so it would be lighter in the evening, longer. So we wouldn't use it in winter. We won't be using in summer and in winter. We wouldn't be using. There'd be more daylight, so we wouldn't be using much heating costs, etc. So that might come into force. I hope something does, because I seem to be going to work and paying for the privilege of having the heating on, and the rent and the gas, gas, electric, rent, council tax. Oh, don't get me started on council tax. Yeah, and the water rates. £48 a month for water. So yeah, that's gone up. Well, anyway, I just wanted a little chit chat. Let you know what's happening on the channel. I haven't got to that, have I yet? Stupid. I'm going to be putting 3 videos a week. I haven't thought of the specific days, just when we're working till very late at night. I'm not getting home till 11 o'clock. And then I've only got the morning time to do whatever I have to do in the house and stuff with Mrs. etc. So I'm not getting as much time now. So I'm going to do it 3 times a week, possibly. It's going to be like I'm not sure yet, it's Tuesday, Thursday and a Sunday. But I'll do a short video on that, because this one's a long one. I'll do a short video on that on the time frames for you. Yeah. So yeah, I hope you're liking the videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Should be having more ride out videos if I get a chance to ride out. We're working 6 days a weekend now. My ride out is going to work basically. Yeah, please subscribe, please like the videos, hit that bell notification. The reason why you do that for is you get notified when I upload the next video. And if I'm not uploading every day like I'm doing at the present, which I've done for the last year, then it'll be 2 or 3 times, well, going to be 3 times a week, but I'll let you know the dates. So please hit that bell notification so you get to know when I'm uploading my videos for you. Right, that's it, fairly well for now, and I'll see you all later. Thanks for watching this video. If you got this far, well done. See you later.